Okay, I'm trying to think of where the engine was, because I could control that
No,
one
it's ratio.
really
It's
well.
ratio.
Okay.
Oh,
I
It
could
was on the. It was
control-
on the back.
Well, no, there's one on the front, and that was the one that was moving.
There was 3 engines, Colin.
Fuck, there's one on the front that was like actually moving, and it was like really responsive.
We
Like,
should
it
make
was-
this longer. Where's
Like it
y'all
was,
blocks?
it was really responsive. I have 8.
that wouldn't be ratio.
So where do you buy stuff? Oh, okay.
Bubble guts.
Oh, you can save?
How? Look at that
Be
block.
ordinal.
Look at that block.
So you put it on me. I think.
Hey,
Alright, let's
this
put
is my
our-
seat.
Let's put our
Fling me.
seats like in order.
Those 4. All right.
No, you can buy it with Robux.
All right. 3
like,
engines on the back.
Easy way.
All right. We had 3 engines last time, right?
No, but there was one on the front.
Two.
There was like
There was not one on the front.
there was one right where I was.
What?
I swear.
Dude, Colin, they were all 3 on the back. I know.
We didn't have
Unless you
to do
sat
it,
in the
too, eh?
back. We can do one in the front if you want. I don't have an engine though, so someone else has to put it down. We gotta put
Well,
the balloons
let's
down.
test this one. Let's see how responsive this one is, because that last one was so responsive.
If you want.
Let's go. Run it.
Why is Jalen there?
Colin
What
doesn't
the hell
want
is that?
it. Run it.
This is the captain's seat.
Who's
With the
driving?
bubble guts.
It's not me.
What's going on
It's
with
not
this?
me.
What's this?
Oh my God, it's me.
Oh god.
I can't turn. All right, pop the balloons.
Little
All right, everyone.
Okay,
All
okay.
right, I got.
Stay steady.
Okay.
There you go.
So I
not doing
can't
anything.
get it straight.
Nice.
Why are we not
Alright.
floating?
There's a
All right,
weird-ass
everybody jump off.
No.
Yeah, what do you mean? We're not floating at
Jumped
all.
off instantly.
I don't know what Jones the only one that jumped off.
Wait, my body's smashing into stuff. What the heck? I
Wait,
got 8
stone's
gold
more.
for that.
Wait, that's actually smart. What are we thinking? Stone's more durable, so it doesn't break in like
But
one
yeah, but
hit, like
it
wood.
probably weighs more.
Well,
think
I
that's smashed
actually jump off. Jump off. I'm serious. So we're put. I think we all have 6 balloons.
We don't have to have it fly. We can just do that. Like we
No,
just
we
did.
need it to
We'll
fly.
do it.
You know how long it's gonna take to get all the way to the end? We'll just literally line up all the
God.
balloons until we fly. Colin, get out of my way. Let's see. How are you on my head? Dude, stop. You're gonna mess me up, man. Alright, let's just do that. This should be.
Oh my God.
What are you doing?
I was trying to trap Colin. Here, Colin, come here. Come here, Colin. I want to see this.
Imagine.
I want to see if I
there's,
can
like, a
trap
cage.
you. Yeah, put him a cage on the boat.
What are you guys?
Colin's not gonna get out of
we're,
that.
we're all on our boat. And Colin's just.
Colin's gonna
He's
be
just
stuck
trapped in
that,
the
though.
ocean.
Colin's not, wait. Should we, will he fly up with us if we all fly up?
It's actually
Dude,
still
attach it-
considered part of the boat. Like I'll be like a little like third wheel.
Dude, attach balloons to it.
No, he'll just drop though. He'll just drop into the water.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
yeah.
just attach it. Just attach it.
Yeah, it's a, oh god.
The motor.
That is not.
No, I'm just gonna fall through. Yeah, I'm just gonna fall through. Like there's
Wait.
not anything in the bottom. Wait, I can place stuff. Oh, if you I can place stuff below with this angle.
The motor.
I have a floor now.
There, I
I'm
put
out
a
of
seat in there.
balloons, too.
Oh no, you just
Wait.
messed everything. Oh.
What just happened?
No!
Hold on.
Alright, destroy
Wait,
all
wait,
that
oh
stuff.
my-
No, don't.
Destroy
Wait,
all
let's
that.
make an opening real quick.
Just let me get back in.
Destroy all of this
Just
crap,
open
man.
it back in. Just open it back
No,
up.
no, we gotta keep it. We gotta keep it.
I'm
There.
trying to
There,
get this
put
crap
seed in
done.
there.
Yeah, we're not
Trying
gonna
to
be able to do
win.
this like us.
There you go.
Alright,
Ooh,
Jalen, put
Micah.
your
I
balloons down.
can't get in
Put your
there. I
balloons
can't
down,
get
man.
in.
Wait. Oh. Are you in?
Yeah.
There
Alright,
we
close
go.
it off.
Okay,
Close
let
it
me
off.
seal him in. Let me seal him in.
Yeah.
Here, let me put some blocks over here to balance it out.
Put Chase in a cage over there.
Okay,
Alright, dude.
that's good.
Wait, why do I
We need
have
more
an
balloons.
engine on mine?
We need more balloons. Jalen, put
Oh
your
wait,
balloons down.
does somebody have another engine?
I have like a, I'm
You
like
got
a,
like
I'm
that.
like a jockey. I'm like a cage. I'm like a.
Alright, put 2 in the front. 2 in the front. Hey, start this crap.
See how it goes.
Wait, not yet.
Okay,
The
Who's
floor's
steering?
working.
Who's
The floor's working.
Who's steering? Who's steering?
It's not me. It's
Not
not
me.
me.
It's not me.
Not
It's
me.
not me.
Okay,
Somebody's steering.
someone's
Okay.
steering.
Someone's steering.
Oh,
and
it's
it is
me.
stuff.
It's me. I don't know how to steer on the controller.
Oh,
wait. Oh,
Um,
we're at the point. We're at the point where we can fly.
I'm still in there.
Oh no, Colin's getting hit. He's taking. Wait, oh!
Oh no.
Yeah, all the balloons.
Oh wait,
are
I'm
off.
back in. I'm back in.
Hey,
Wait, this
maybe
could
we
actually
need.
probably get us.
Oh my
The
god, dude, the
linebacker.
bottom of our boat is destroyed. Chase, look underneath. Look underneath.
I hope I don't. I hope my floor doesn't get messed up. I'm over here in my hill. I just went first person. It's like terrible in here.
Dude, we're bringing back
Screen touch
everything.
Whoa! Someone hit a dinger.
Oh
Oh, we made
no.
some progress. What is it?
What?
Why
We
are we
lost.
steering?
That, we lost that
Who's
whole
steering?
other
Okay, so-
side.
Wait, we don't have a steering wheel. Maybe that affects it.
Probably it.
I broke up! I broke up! I'm on my own now.
Oh no.
I'm on my own.
Oh no.
I'm
Wait,
dead.
Colin's gonna live longer than us.
He's
Dude, man.
bald. Wait, no way we. This is actually working in our favor. Colin's little cage is like taking all the hits.
We're making a wall. It's an
I
army
got
of
a
blocks.
reinforced door. I got a reinforced door.
Wait, I'm pretty sure I got one too.
Doors.
Look.
Hey.
Wait, I do not have a
Damn,
reinforcement.
How do you open it?
Hold on.
I didn't get dick.
Wait, like what is it? People expect us to make a whole freaking like galleon out of this.
Yeah,
What?
dude. There you're let. Alright, put metal blocks down. Does it,
Yeah.
Hey, does anybody have like metal
That's it.
blocks? I
That's
don't
all
have
of it.
any.
No, I
Like
don't have
metal?
like anything.
Have you
shit.
been buying
that
Oh, yeah, I
looks
have
like-
this. I have sheet metal. I have
This looks
some,
like
I
charcoal.
just don't do
Look.
anything.
They give you materials.
How?
Look, look,
No,
I got
like-
some stuff. Look, I got
Go
some
to
stuff.
the. You see the thing
Micah,
to
look.
the right?
Oh, buy these
Okay, I
like
see.
oh
Yeah, buy the chest. How much gold do you have?
242.
Oh shit! Yeah, buy the 135 one.
Of what?
Oh my! Wait, I got like everything.
Yeah, it gives you a lot of stuff. Oh, you got an epic one, didn't you?
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna buy
Alright.
another one.
Put
Oh
on
my
Chase's
god,
lap.
Chase has a throne.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Alright, whatever. Start it. Start it.
Stardo.
I don't have one.
Stardo.
Wait, how do you save it? How do you save it?
Oh
Make it
no.
hard
no.
at all.
You have to have them
Oh.
connected.
Wait, no. Oh,
We
they're
have to
going
have
the right way. Yeah.
No,
have
it's
to have it
fine. We're
connected.
fine.
Yeah,
We're
yeah,
fine.
yeah.
We're
This-
fine.
This is
We're
what we
fine.
wanted. That is
Oh.
me moving that engine.
That is
Yeah.
me.
Wait, okay, stop then. Don't do anything. That's literally me.
Jalen, it's moving right now because of me. What are you on about?
Really? What? Mine's
Then go,
not
go
moving.
forward real quick. Go forward.
I'm not.
Exactly. You can't. Look at me.
We're good.
This is a smart idea though. Oh wait,
We just need to
move
have
a
them all
little bit.
connected next time.
We just
Wait,
need more
no.
blocks.
Yeah.
But I'm probably gonna have. Why are there? Oh no. We're not gonna make it that. We're already half out of blocks. Dude, I think we need to try the balloon idea again, man. Just don't
We
put
just
the
need to get
cages
through
on
the
the right.
Go
Dude,
back. We're doing good.
my hair's gone. Oh no.
See what's like.
I can't move.
Oh my chair.
Colin.
Oh no.
Don's still alive though. Still on his throne, baby. That throne's
Wait,
indestructible.
Look at Jalen! His head's
Oh my
gone!
God.
His head's gone!
Dude,
Colin,
Dude.
if your thing breaks, Colin, if your thing breaks,
Oh.
jump on us,
Colin,
jump
come on,
on
Colin,
us.
come on.
It didn't let me.
Colin fell into molten lava. Died. Oh, Colin's back. Hey, Colin, hey.
Start putting your blocks down, like
What
your
the
heavy duty
six?
blocks right here.
What is
Take
this,
that off,
I
take that
wonder?
off. I don't know, take that off
this
though.
is gonna be
Take that
very
off.
like hard to control. You should build some stuff on the sides.
Take that off. No, we're gonna try this. Take this off. Who is this?
Take
Take it
what
off.
off?
Why is there a block inside a block? Whose gray block
Why?
is that inside the... It's a waste of a block, you dumbass. There we go.
Yeah, Chase, why do you do that?
Put your wood blocks in the front. It's making a big penis.
Wait. Should branch out a little bit. Make an actual penis. Oh man, what the heck is this?
Here, I'll put a lantern in the front. Let's see.
Move, Colin.
Make sure that shit's connected.
He's just gonna all
Connected.
pelts us in the head.
Alright, why is
Alright.
that shit floating? We don't need that shit floating.
It's
Take
because
that stuff
Colin.
down.
Colin stepped in front of me. Dang it,
I
literally
guarantee
almost-
this thing is just gonna turn on its side and everything's just gonna not matter.
Got one more. One more in the back.
I don't have. What?
There's one more block in the back. That
Hey, we don't have
somebody took
motors.
off.
Yeah,
Dude,
we need-
Yeah, I know, I
can't
put mine
sit down.
Where'd you put it at? Oh, I see that. Like how those two
There
go.
we go.
right
Alright,
beside each other.
let's get going.
Off
There you go.
parentheses, so I tip backwards.
Turn
Who's
left.
steering?
Turn left.
Please tell me
Hurry
I'm
up.
not steering. I really
Oh,
don't.
no way.
It's not me. It's not me.
It's not me.
It's
either.
not me.
It's not me.
I guess we just don't
Okay,
get to steer.
you know if you're steering if the thing turns in the back. Who's steering?
No, right?
Nope, no one is steering. I'm moving.
No, I'm not steering.
What the hell is that thing in front of us? No way, that's a.
That's a
fucking-
Is that a
boat.
boat?
It's a
Oh,
boat.
what?
They
the-
made an art base. We're actually cheating.
Yeah.
As long as these guys in front of us don't move, we're gonna win.
That's what you call it.
Wait, why
I can manage it though.
are they slowing down?
Because they're hitting stuff and we're not.
Oh, a chair.
My
Oh,
chair
that's
is
not
gone.
good.
We should have built a cage.
Oh!
We
No,
should have built
stop,
a
stop,
cage. Yes.
I'm standing on the obsidian.
The kunai took my head off. Wait, should we
Should've
jump
built
on
a
this
cage.
dude's
We
boat?
should have built a
If
cage.
this thing
ourselves.
starts breaking. Yeah, I'm about to
We're
get
not close
up.
enough. Wait.
He said come in. He said come in the house. He said come in. He said come in. Go.
I'm
go.
getting in.
I'm going, I'm
getting
going.
in.
No, we can't make it. We can't make it now.
This guy has a literal house in here.
I can't. Get...
I made it, I made it.
Yeah, I kid you not, this dude has a
We
bedroom
boarded
in here.
ship. It's like a headless
Dude,
chicken.
he has a he has a house.
Look at our face.
No.
I'm glad I'm sitting down. I'm glad I'm sitting down.
Oh, the guy died. The guy died.
No.
Man, he died. Come on, dude.
No.
I'm sitting
Wait, he
down on the
died?
bed.
I'm
sitting
sorry.
on the bed.
Chase, I see you. First person, I can't see
He's
anything.
waiting
Whoa,
for
whoa,
you
whoa.
guys. Yeah, Colin, get on. He's got an
My head's
airplane.
blue. My head is blue.
It's the
My head
same
got
guy.
blue.
Just open the door for me and everything.
Bro,
Yeah.
there's no
Oh my-
way-
So dope.
Whatever he's using, it's insane. We're gonna make it.
No, we're
Dude, this
not,
guy's gotta be
There's
like a
so
hack.
many
I
rocks.
said, bro, you're a king, and you said
There's
thanks.
so many rocks.
This dude's either a
We're literally
admin- oh my
flying
God.
over everything.
Oh no.
Yeah, this guy is a beast.
Dude,
I don't
we're
know if we
so
get gold
close,
for this, though.
Chase.
We can
We're
eat.
so
we have like we
close to
literally
being
have
launched.
cake.
Oh my God,
One
one
thing,
block.
One block left. One
Run your
block
flies
left.
at Freddy's.
We're about to make it. Unless there's another stage.
Oh
Or
my
just
God,
the
Ah,
last
there
that's
may
there's
be.
another block.
Almost fell off, dude.
What the heck is this? I haven't seen this.
Yeah, this is where we died at. These things start shooting stuff at you.
I have no HP.
This isn't
Oh
gonna
my
count.
God.
This
They're
isn't
not
gonna
doing it
count.
How
Dude.
long does it go for?
Yeah, I don't
dude?
think this is gonna count.
Jesus.
No,
We're- I made it to the end. Wait, I want to see you guys come in. I want to see you guys come in. I'm gonna wait a second.
Dude, we're about to be there.
No, it does.
I
count.
don't think it's gonna count.
It
Really?
does.
because we weren't in
Yeah.
a boat. You guys had launched the boat. We haven't launched the boat.
Yeah. We're just in this
No,
dude's
it
airplane.
killed me. I didn't get to see you guys.
We're at the.
Did you make it
lighthouse.
to all the way to the end?
Yeah.
How
This
much
guy's-
gold did you get?
This guy can easily just pass through everything.
105. Are you kidding me?
What does he have in the back?
8.
Oh, he's got like. Dude, he has
I got 105.
We're at the waterfall.
Yeah, it'll count if you guys get to the end.
Well, I don't think it will because we didn't launch.
Let's
the
go.
boat, so it doesn't register that we're actually like.
It'll register if you guys actually get to the end, though. It'll register that you guys got to.
Hey, it
It's
doesn't
just a
give me
treasure
anything.
chest.
Wah. Wait, I opened it. Oh,
Okay.
open it. Open it, Colin.
Yeah, you gotta go touch it.
My king? Oh, it did
Yeah, you
count.
have a
Colin, it did
crown.
count. It did count. It definitely counted. That, dude, we literally just got a free ride.
Same.
So how do you do? Like, I guess they're pre-built or
Oh
something.
my God. Oh my God.
Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back.
It's got a fucking airplane.
Yeah, actually has an airplane. And he can actually control
That's
it.
what, that's what we're saying.
This
Literally has
guy's
an
gotta
airplane.
have just like a preset or pre-built or something.
Oh, yeah, for sure. No way he just built that right back.
He's giving us a tour.
Dude, wait, he has a title.
Oh,
on
he's
his
just
name.
parking
His
up
name-
here.
The title above his name is Royal Member.
I think that's what the
He's got a
crown
little-
is, but Jalen also
Like
has one.
bunny hopping now.
I wonder, maybe it's random?
He said quick
can't get
stop.
out.
We said we're taking a quick stop.
I can't get
Role-playing.
out.
This dude's role playing.
Yeah, dude, it was so hard.
Oh,
this
do you
is-
guys
this
remember
is
that
one of
one?
the-
Do you guys remember the hide and seek game?
I can't get in.
On
I can't
Roblox?
get out, dude. I'm too tall.
Dude, I remember when Roblox
Yeah,
first
move.
came out, and you can only play a select amount of games. And that was one of them.
What? Hide and seek?
It was like
you
a
don't play hide
big
and seek?
room. It was like a big room.
Oh, yeah, I know exactly what
Yeah.
you're talking about.
I remember that, man.
That crap was
Those games
fun.
used to be so fun. To smack
What if
you
he just locks
upside
it?
the head.
Colin, hijack it right now.
Yeah, just lock
We
Hijack
can't.
that crap.
We can't. He locks the
Can't
door.
open the door.
He
What
knows.
a pussy.
He already.
He knows what.
No, he
we're
left it
thinking.
open for a second and he came back in and closed it because he realized he forgot.
Colin, try to get in. Get in, Colin. Get in. Get in there. Get in there, Colin.
No.
What happened? Do?
What happened?
He said,
What did Colin
bruh.
do?
He said, bruh.
What happened?
Micah hijacked me, betrayed him.
It won't let me fly.
Right, RT.
He's dead. He died.
RT.
I'm leaving.
Wait. Let me get in. I think I can fly. I think I got it.
No, it won't let you, Jalen. It literally won't let you.
Colin, wait, you got it?
Ah!
Wait, let me sit down.
I got out. No.
No!
Oh, I found the game, by the way. I found hide and
Oh,
seek.
there goes our ride.
Look, it's like flipping into the.